Hello everyone, and welcome everyone again to the latest video on my YouTube channel, Digger Evans Model Railway. Another mail call is here. I'm just going to alter the angle a little bit. Yet again, I've bought some buildings. You know, I've finished the other two buildings and I've made that known everywhere that I've finished them, and I was getting really bored, really fed up, and I couldn't help it. I ordered a couple more buildings. I shopped around and I got a really good price for these. Same place again, Javelin, and again they are Walthers American kits, because American kits are way better than the tripe we get offered here. The first one here is Vic's Barbershop. This was really cheap, about 19 quid, and it's I'll just move that a sec. It's similar to a DPM model, design preserve. Anyhow, I forget what they're called, but they're made by Woodland Scenics. Similar to that, I think. There's not a lot of components, just four sides and the windows and stuff. I'm not 100% sure where it'll go. I'm a bit wary of where I'm going to place it, but that doesn't matter. It will find a spot. And the other one, oops, is this. I do like Walthers kits, I really do. I really do. Brook Hill Farm Dairy. It doesn't have to be a dairy, it can be one or two different things, and I do have a spot for this on the south side of the layout, near the bridge that takes the traffic out and up over the rails and away. So I'm going to have some good fun looking at this one and doing it up. In fact, let's open one and have a quick look at this one. Let's have a quick look. We'll open this carefully, and we'll just have a quick look at what's going to be inside. I think the windows might be moulded into the walls like the DPM. Oh, yeah, they are. What we've got in it. Got the walls with the windows already moulded in. That's the front with everything moulded in, just like the DPM ones do. Now what I do here, and this is what I'm expecting, I paint the whole thing the colour what I want the bricks, and then I'll get a really fine brush, treble zero or something, and paint the window frames in. And I'll do exactly the same with the front piece. That looks pretty good. Oh, I can't wait to get started. Little chimneys, we've got some chimneys there as well. Not sure if they'll go on. A flat roof, lovely flat roof, and the other side wall and the back part and some other parts which I'm presuming are for the front again. So, and it was really cheap, this. I think it was 19 quid or £19.29 or something like that. A little barber's pole. Don't know if you can see that little barber's pole there. I don't know if that's going to go on. I don't know if it's going to be a barber's shop on the layout. I'm not quite sure what it's going to be, and I'm not sure if I'll have the canopy on it, but it is going to be a fun little build, and I can't wait to get stuck into it. Thank you all ever so much for looking in. If I don't make another video before Christmas, I'd like to wish each and every one of you a really happy Christmas, or happy holidays as they say in the United States, and a great new year. Stay safe and keep well, everyone. Thank you all ever so much for watching. Thank you for looking in. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It's really is appreciated. Thank you all ever so much. I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Have a great holiday time. Have a great new year. Bye for now, my friends. Take care.